Good day, students. Welcome to today's lesson on national values, unity, faith, peace in civic education. This lesson is part of your JSS 1 Junior Secondary School curriculum, approved by NERDC, the National Educational Research and Development Council of Nigeria. Today we will define national values, unity, faith, peace, explore its key principles, look at examples from Nigerian life, and summarize what you need to know for your examinations. Whether you are preparing for your BECE, WAEC, or NECO, this lesson will help you build the knowledge and confidence you need. Let's get started. So, what is national values, unity, faith, peace? From the market of Onitsha, to the oil fields of Rivers State, to the groundnut pyramids once found in Kano, national values, unity, faith, peace connects your classroom to the real Nigeria you live in. Now let's look at the core principles. These are what you must know for your examinations. Principle 1. This is the basis of national values, unity, faith, peace. It tells us what national values, unity, faith, peace is, where it comes from, and what it applies to. Make sure you write this in your notebook. Now, examples. This is where learning becomes real. Example 1. Imagine a student in Ibadan studying civic education. She notices a situation in her household that involves national values, unity, faith, peace. Let's analyze this together. Did you see how we applied the principle step by step? That is exactly what WAEC examiners expect from you. Now, example 2. This one is slightly different. Notice how even though the context is different, a market trader in ABA versus a farmer in Plateau State, the same principles apply. That is the beauty of civic education, the knowledge travels with you. Before we finish, let me share the top mistakes students make on this topic. Mistake 1. Memorizing without understanding. If you only memorize the definition of national values, unity, faith, peace without understanding it, you will struggle with application questions. Always ask yourself, why is this true? Mistake 2. Ignoring Nigerian examples. Nigerian examiners expect you to connect your knowledge to local context. Practice giving Nigerian examples for every concept you learn. Mistake 3. Skipping diagrams. Many marks are available for neat labeled diagrams. Never skip these. Excellent work today, students. Let us review what we covered. Keep studying hard. Visit lms.olakitan.top for more NERDC approved lessons from JSS 1 to SS3, all subjects, all terms. Nigeria's future is bright because of dedicated students like you. Good luck in your examinations. Until next time.